Introducing Omolaramide, popularly referred to as the Life and Brand Strategist. She is the lead consultant and facilitator at Bridge Brands and PR, the intellectual property owner of Inner Essence Factory.
Hello, how are we doing today? My name is Omolaramide, and today I'd like us to discuss emotional detachment. How many of us practice emotional detachment? Emotional detachment is not evil in itself, but it becomes a problem at that point whereby you really cannot balance, and control when you practice emotional detachment. But it can deprive you of the good things of life and deprive the people around you. What is life without feelings anyway? Who doesn't want to feel something during sex? Who doesn't want to feel good during that lovely gaze staring at you that makes your eyes water? Emotional detachment is the inability to feel or express your feelings publicly or outwardly. And a lot of people do this for good reasons. You can get emotionally detached because you don't want drama, or because you don't want to express fear when you want to do things, or you want to keep your sanity. So you try to get yourself emotionally detached from people who give you lots of stress. But some people have mastered emotional detachment that they don't even know when to show love, or when to show trust, or when to show feelings. So such people, even when you're putting them in your priority list, when you care for them and you're showing them love, they are unable to show you back because they don't feel the same way. At that point, you might need to seek for professional help. But I want to share with us a few pointers that you can put in place today before you get to that stage. Learn to love people genuinely from your heart. Make people feel welcome. Reciprocate when they show you love and care. I like to hear from you, so I'll be waiting for your comments in the comment section below. Thank you for listening to me. See you in my next video.
Thank you for listening. For more details on Inner Essence Factory, please visit www.omolaramide.com.